Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library, here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. And to celebrate National Love Your Pet Day on February 20th, we are making these stretching cats and dogs. So you can pick either a cat or a dog. We've got a few color options, and it'll come with 2 cats or 2 dogs each. And all you'll need of your own supplies is glue or tape, scissors, and coloring supplies. So I'll hop right in to cutting out our cat. I'm just following the bold lines. The dashed lines will be for folding a little later in our project. I wanted to remind you guys that we would be ecstatic if you shared photos of your Take and Make crafts this week. You can tag us on Facebook or Instagram at Wauconda Area Library, all lowercase, all one word. And we will happily repost any crafts you send us. And we are so excited to see what you guys have been making. I think this week, especially if you decide to make your cat or dog look like your real cat or dog, we would love to see a picture of your paper version and their real life likeness. I am banishing our scraps and then realizing that I took my tail and removing it slightly worse for wear, and then returning the rest of my scraps to the trash can. I'm going to go ahead and color my cat, and like I said, you are free to make yours look like your real life cat. Unfortunately, my wonderful cat Ian is pitch black, so it makes it a little hard with the black ink. But also feel free to get creative. You can make a fictional cat, like Puss in Boots. There's so many options. And I'm just adding a little detail to my tail as well. And then, like I said before, I'm gonna go ahead and fold on the dashed lines and marvel at the school glue stuck on my hands. And essentially the quote-unquote right way to fold your cat is so that his little head is resting on his paws, doing a nice big stretch. Before I glue, I'm gonna realize that I wanted to give my cat a collar, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that quick. Make sure you do a collar above the dashed line where you'd fold, otherwise it will be folded under and make contact with the table. I did not intend this, but this color combination makes this cat look a lot like the pug that Governor Ratcliffe has in Pocahontas. But now that I've colored everything I wanted to on my cat, we'll go ahead and glue his head to the top of his paws. And all that's left for us to do is attach his tail. I'm doing a quick accordion fold, so the opposite way. I'm playing around with a few different ways that I could position his tail, and then inevitably finding the one that I like best. Yes, I like it, and gluing his tail in place. And with that flawless, very in frame completion shot, that is it for today. Please like and subscribe, post your photos, and tag us at Wauconda Area Library on social media, and we will see you next week for a new take on my craft.